Hello, this is Jason, and I am at the KLCC Park. Well, at least the entrance to it. Right here, see Petronas Towers, and this over here is the convention center. And you walk down those stairs, and there's like the underground food court, and there's an underground tunnel that goes over to Surya KLCC, that mall that I already did a tour of. So we're just gonna go for a walk in the park.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Let's see, I forgot to get my neck strap out, make it easier on me. All right, here we go. Locked in. Look at those trees. Roots going across the ground. It must be like very hard ground or something. I don't know how the roots are like that. Maybe it's just how those trees are. I don't know. Got little emergency call centers every 50 yards or so. And this is one of the green spaces. That's a little oasis in the middle of the city. Got that eco park that I went to with the suspension bridges. And there's a botanical gardens that I'm gonna go to eventually as well. So I love being able to get away from the hustle and the bustle of the city and come enjoy a little nature right in the city. Looks like you can walk around the whole perimeter. I want to cut the inside. Look at that. Very nice drinking fountain. Makes you want to drink. Here's some water over here. And I think there's even a swimming area. I'm not wearing my swimming trunks, but take my shoes off and dip my feet in. Might be refreshing. Oh yeah, little kids pool. So I wouldn't really call it a swimming area. It's more like a little ankle high splash pool. Beautiful though. Towers in the background. Such a beautiful city. Let's walk around. Very peaceful. And for how big the city is, no place is really that crowded, except for maybe Pedaling Street and Jalan Alor thing at night. That's the only two places that I've ran into like a lot of crowds. Everything else is pretty mellow, and it's really cool. All these cities are so much more modern than cities in the US. The US had its big, industrial revolution boom in the 20s, 30s. So like, New York City's pretty old, 100 years old now. Where here, Everything's modern like that. Much more modern skyline, because they started their boom later. Big modern high-rise condos. And what the megaphone guy is saying. And it's 90 degrees out. And the humidity is like 400%. I'm doing some construction or something. I'm gonna sit here and take a rest for a minute. Let those people get ahead of me. I hate like walking behind people. I feel like I'm stalking them. All right, continuing on. Sweating buckets. And they have a big water feature here where they put on like a fountain show at night with lights and stuff. Little mini Bellagio type thing. I have to come back here at night and check it out sometime. I'm not sure where it is. I guess it would be, I think it's over there. I see a fountain. All right, let's go look at this from this angle. That's cool. They got a big sculpture whale and dolphins. Cool. Kids having a good time. I caught up to the people I was trying to get away from. I should be able to walk past them while they're taking their pictures. Look at this. Beautiful. That's the Surya KLCC mall. And Star of Kuala Lumpur, Petronas Towers. It's a very beautiful building. Yes, this is where the show's at night. Pretty awesome. Very cool. Those little school kids in their same outfits. Well, I am melting down, so I think I'm gonna dip into the Syria KLCC mall for long enough to chill my bones. But that pretty much shows you KLCC Park. Very beautiful park here, right in the heart of Kuala Lumpur. So I hope you enjoyed this, and that's all I got for now. Talk to you later. Take it easy.